January the 24th, 1918, the then president of the Watchtower Bible and Tract Society, Joseph F. Rutherford, gave an astounding speech here in this city. It was entitled, "Millions Now Living May Never Die." Later on, that theme was strengthened by changing one word so that the title was, "Millions Now Living Will Never Die." Now, this exciting speech focused attention upon a certain class of people finding themselves on the earth with only earthly expectations for the future. It focused attention upon a class that was expected to survive the impending battle of Armageddon and live on earth into God's righteous new order. And these people were not particularly identified except for the fact that they were righteously disposed people, and God would respect their righteous attitude and their desire to live a good life, and He would let them be spared through the Battle of Armageddon, which was then thought to be right around the corner. The fact of the matter is, World War I was expected to lead on into world revolution, such as took place in 1917 in Russia, and then merge into world anarchy, which was understood to be the Battle of Armageddon. And these millions then living who would never die were expected to survive that impending Battle of Armageddon and the binding of Satan and his demons, and live on into God's righteous new order. Well, that was indeed an epoch-making speech, although it was premature at least, for as much as we are now 57 years removed from them, and the vast majority of the people who were living then in 1918 have died. Who were living then in 1918 have died.